Hello, all of you beautiful Stardust people out there. I do have a surprise for you today. So, I was planning this for a month now and I came to it because I had some time today. I spent 8 hours on this project. I wanted to do a beautiful sketchbook for all my sketches and paintings that were laying around all around the house, and I wanted them all in one place, and I wanted to do a sketchbook that I painted on. And I was inspired by a painting lesson that from a painting lesson channel that I'm watching lately. So if you want to learn to paint the same painting I am doing here, you will find the description. You will find the link in the description below. So Coinfish Pond and all on jeans, on an old pair of jeans that I recycled. It was lots of work, but I really enjoyed it. I had lots of fun, and I think I have a pretty sketchbook right now. I am really happy with the result. So hope you enjoyed watching it, and see you next time. Love you. Kisses. Bye bye. I think my soul is like clean waters that leave a gorgeous trace of gold, and everything is always moving beneath the surface, new and old.